Okay, so we've arrived at our next hotel on the way. It's called the Splash Resort. It's in Koh Chang. It's like 5 minutes drive from our last hotel, Santiatri Resort. And this hotel has been chosen because of that. So we're on the walk down from the reception area to the rooms. So we can see just at the end there's the sea, but let's see what it's like. Okay, so we have room for we have the bed that can be for Arthur.
This one mine. This one you, Daddy.
Here we have balcony area. So again, it's clean enough. I don't see much evidence of mosquitoes. It's okay. It's small and compact, but it has the things that you need. Right, me and Arthur are going to give a test run of the slides for you. And Ryan, he will be playing over that way in the yellow slider. So Arthur, me and you, yellow and orange. I will do orange. Arthur can do orange and purple. And be cameraman. Yes. Wow. You want to be cameraman for the others, or you want Daddy cameraman? Huh? Okay. So shall we go for orange and yellow?
Daddy, I'm lucky.
Oh, what's Arthur's found something. What's he found?
I stand something as if I like.
Oh, my God. Look.
Man. This one.
Now we go to play water with Ryan, I think. That way. Look, we play water. Okay, shall we go?
Waiting,
So let's go and try out the orange and yellow slide. Okay, here it is. Orange and yellow slide. It's very fast.
Yes.
Which side do you want, Arthur? You that side. So me and Arthur will go together. Get ready.
Ready.
Wait. Right, I'm ready. Go on.
Ready, go!
Okay. Okay, good job. Did you enjoy that, Arthur?
Yes.
Out of 10, Arthur, how many for the orange and yellow slide?
10.
10. He likes that one.
Okay, Daddy. You need to watch me when I go down. If I go down, you can't go, okay? Next, my daddy turn. Okay, here he comes. So good. Okay. Are you okay, Daddy?
Oh, Arthur, my hand.
Okay.
Okay.
How beautiful. Okay. Let's go inside now.
So let's go and play the yellow slide with Ryan. Waiting for Daddy. Okay, I go with this one, Ryan go this one. Okay, go. Hey! You right? Oh. Purple slide. Oh, you want Daddy come purple slide? Okay. So, orange and white slide. Ryan wants Daddy to do purple slide. It's more like pink to me. There's Ryan, there's Arthur, and there's Mummy. No, Arthur do purple and orange already. Daddy finished now. Mummy said she will do purple and orange slide. Okay, so Ryan is brave enough now to try this by himself. So here he goes. Here he goes. Are we ready to see if Ryan is brave enough to do the orange slide alone? Yes, he is. Good sliding, Ryan.